Now we are going to implement a snake as a model. Prior to that, let's define snake head and the snake body as separate classes. And the snake will just use a composite of those ones. So under model, let's define snake head class. And then that should be extends a game element. So everything to be rendered there should be game element subclass. So SnakeHead should implement the render and the move method like that. So for the SnakeHead, as we create, let's define constructor SnakeHead. X, Y's are provided. Then you can forward it to superclass game element. And then rendering is first let's set color, which is set by superclass game element that defines that. And then if field, we can do fill oval. So at this moment we are going to do very simply. The head is a circle shape, body is a square shape, but later you can change that in the rendering part only, change that with some cool graphics and so on. Then Snake game is based on imaginary cells, grid. So let's define the cell size. Public static final int cell size is 20 pixels. Then width and height should be multiple of 20. Fill oval, X location, Y location is from superclass. Then game board defines a width, cell size, and then game board cell size. That's the shape of the snake head. If not filled, then we can simply draw the outline of that. Move, we are not going to implement it yet. Then let's add a snake body class. Very similar to that. Extends game element. Then we need to implement a method and snake body constructor. X and Y are taken, then forwarded to superclass constructor. Rendering, set color from game element. If field, which is also from superclass, then body part, let's have a simple graphic, which is fill rect, XY is there, and width is a game board, has a cell size defined, game board cell size, and else we are going to draw outline only. And the move, we are going to take care of that later. So at this moment we are just defining how to render snake head and body. And the next video, let's define snake as a composite of a head and body.